Man, this water is freezing. What is it? Day after Thanksgiving, Jacksonville, Florida, Jax Beach. First cast, second cast. Try and catch some whiting, some pompano, whatever I can. The water feels like 65 degrees, man. I got a good spot right next to that that runoff. Hopefully catch some stuff. Current's not too bad. There's like no wind, a little bit of cloud coverage. That's about it. Check this rod. I think was just the current taking it out. I think there's a lot of current way out there. I casted past that second sandbar since it is low tide. I didn't cast that one this far. Casted it right in that rip tide right there, a little bit out. I think they stole my bait already. Not sure though. I'm gonna have to move my pole holders back in a minute. Just got out here. I think I cast this thing farther than I got. And I got Pin Pursuit 8,000, 20-pound mono on a 12-foot Shakespeare rod. Oh no! They already took my bait. We'll get some more bait. That's ridiculous. I just casted that out too. Took my bait already. Feels nice outside too. And the last time we came here, we tore it up. Caught a whole bunch of whiting, 18-inch, 17-inch whitings, and some small ones. Caught a black drum, some pompano. So hopefully I can catch that for y'all. 2 pounds fresh bait shrimp from Dan's Seafood. If you're ever in Jacksonville, Florida, go to Dan's Seafood. They got amazing food here. They got amazing food. Their service is amazing. One little tip is cut your shrimp pieces as small as possible. Yeah, because a lot of people, they cut them in like half or use whole shrimp. They'll never catch anything. Piece to my beach cart. I mean, that beach cart was the best thing I ever bought. I got tired of freaking carrying all this stuff from my truck all the way over here. And that thing makes it a lot easier, especially when you have a cooler. Oh God. I don't think there's a lot of current fishing low tide right now. Fishing incoming, actually. I think incoming tide's the best, in my opinion. I've never really caught anything on outgoing tide, but a lot of people do. I never do. I got size 1 hooks, size 1 circle hooks on this one, and on that pole I got size 1/0 circle hooks, and I got 20-pound mono, and then on the one down there on the right I got 30-pound braid. Other 2 pieces in my pocket. Walk out there, probably about knee deep. And I love these 12-foot surf casting rods. It's like 4 ounces is like nothing compared to this. I think I'm getting a bite from my other pole. I had to trim down the the butt on this one on a 12 foot because it was too big to fit in any of my pole holders. I don't think I'm getting any bites on this one. I think it's just the waves. I think they might have took my bait because they took my other bait as soon as I threw it out there. No, I ain't got nothing. I'm gonna reel it in though. I think they took my bait. I casted this one for me, reeling this forever. I think this one has like, what? I can't remember. I don't know, I have somewhere. It holds like 300 max, 300 yards, a 30-pound braid, but I've lost so much line recently from like, when I went down to the Keys, I hooked up to a big lemon shark, I think. Took over half my line and like popped it. I lost the line there. So I think I have around 250 yards of 30-pound braid left. I've only seen the bottom of the spool once on this ever since I got it. This is actually, that reel came on this rod, but it was a little too big for this rod in my opinion because the tip broke and made it smaller. So I bought that, put it on that, and then I put my Pin Fierce 5000 on this one. Oh yeah, they're just tearing my shrimp up out there. Put some new pieces on. Main problem with that big 12-foot surf casting rod, it's hard to tell if you got a fish, if you're trying to fish for like small fish like whiting. Supposed to have some people meet me out here. If I can see some mullet in the surf, I'm gonna try and catch some mullet. I think I got a fish. Cast this back out. See how far I can launch this shit. I launched it pretty far, yeah. Yeah, I launched it pretty far. I don't know if that was the waves or if that was a bite. Let's see. I think they took my bait. Yeah, they just take my bait, leave it out there. We'll rig up. I don't know, I think I might have a fish on. Oh, I got one. Oh, got a nice one. There's probably a decent sized whiting, I think. Did he get off? Hope he didn't get off. He is. I don't think so because he's swimming towards me. Unless there's strong current pulling my weight. Oh, I got another one. I was double hooked up. I gotta hurry up and get this one. I got one. Small bonnet head, man. I think that's just, ow, stop. That's a, stop spitting up blood. Hurry up. I'm trying to get my fingers towards you. Come on. I hate these sharks. These little sharks can, man, they can slice your fingers up. I got there we go. A little small bonnet head, all bloody. Got another one. Well, I hope this is not another bonnet head. I think he got off. Yeah, he got off. Unless he's... Nah, he got off. Unless it's something super small, he got off. Nah, he got off. Unless it's... I don't know, I can feel it. Nah, I got something. Please don't be another bonnet head. Oh no, that's like a small whiting or something. Oh, yeah. Just tangled on my line up. That's what he did. Put this on the cooler. Nice little whiting. You guys see that? I don't know, he's probably about 7 inches. Oh no, he's a 10-inch whiting. He's just really skinny. If I don't get any, if I can get a smaller one, I'll use him for bait. Cut him up, put some size 7 circle hooks on my surf casting rod. Yeah, but he tangled up. That dang whiting tangled up my pole. I hate when they do that. If you ever wonder what rig I'm using, I'm pretty sure they got them at like any bait store or local Walmart by the beach. It's just the little 2-hook beach rigs that already come pre-made. The reason I do that is I'm too late. I'll fix that one later. The reason I do that is because I'm too lazy to make my own rig, if that makes any sense. I can make them, but it's just about the same cost per rig if I just buy the line, the beads and all that. It's about the same price, so there's really no point putting that one out there. And I hated that's the little bonnet head. I've actually heard bonnet head, when they get around like 3 foot, they're actually pretty good to eat, but I've never, some people say they're nasty though, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to move my poles back. So he tangled that all up. I don't know. Oh, there we go, I got it. Alright. That's why he wasn't fighting, because he was all tangled up. Put a new piece over that piece because that piece is getting kind of soggy. Yeah, whenever the bait stays out in the water for a long time, they get kind of soggy and they'll come off the hook easier every time you recast them. So I usually just put another one on there or replace it. See, because that old one flung off right there. I'm casting right in between both of the sandbars, because that first sandbar is right out there because it's low tide, and the second one's kind of a ways out there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's kind of like a different, it's like a lighter shade of water. It's like a little light shade of water out there, and that is sandbars. Like right here, it gets deep right there, but that's the rip current, where both sides of the current come together and they meet and they suck you out. So if you ever have any kids, never let them play in that, because the current gets really bad. If I got any bites. I think that one might be getting little bites. I'm gonna go rig up my bait caster. I got a spoon on there right now. I'm gonna put a Yozuri. They got like a lead head and it's like a shiny silver body. They got treble hooks on it. It's really good if like schools of bluefish come by or something. They love them. What the heck was that? I just bought some stuff at Walmart because I was low. I had to buy a tape measure. See, like this one has a white body. It weighs more than the other ones. Because I suck at casting bait casters. I can't cast lightweight. Like this little metal spoon is the lightest I could probably cast. I really don't typically use just straight braid when I'm fishing, because braid doesn't stretch that often, so it doesn't have a lot of resistance if it hits any rocks or anything like that. But there's really nothing out here at the beach. So, and plus I got the snap swivel on. You got that snap swivel on. I got a 30-pound braid, and then under the braid I got 10-pound mono backing so it doesn't slip on the spool, because my last one when I first got it